The configuration page makes it easy for administrative users to set and select various configurable items for their users and for themselves. To access this page, go to Menu and select Configuration. I'm going to walk you through quickly some various features on this screen. First of all, any text on the left-hand side of the screen that is in blue allows you to configure that setting for multiple users. Let's take Business Entity for example. If you click directly on Business Entity, it will take you to a screen with all of your users' names, and you see off to the far right-hand side the ability to set the business entity for that particular user. Again, this is what you would do to set a business entity on a per user basis. If you need to select your own business entity, you can do so using the select box and the check drop-down box on the configuration screen. You can also select the provider. One important thing to note, other providers to view. If you have providers that frequently round on other providers' patients, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and make sure all of their names are selected for their screens. This will allow them to, again, view multiple providers' patients if and when needed. Same thing goes for an administrative user, as you'll probably want the ability to see all charges coming from all providers that are using Excella Mobile. You can set your own home screen here. You have the ability to purge old message data. That purge setting is set a default of 0 days, meaning it will not ever purge. If you'd like that data to purge, you can simply adjust the days in this section. For copy last, on the rounding screen, you have the ability to copy last, which automatically pulls forward previous procedure and diagnosis codes from a previous encounter. You can set functionality here to pull forward diagnosis codes only, or pull forward both diagnosis and procedure codes. Again, this can be a per user setting. You have the ability to turn referring physicians, turn that setting on or off as needed. Add referring physicians and import patient list. There are actually two separate training videos listed on the training screen. So if you'd like to learn more about those features, search for those videos on the administrative training screen. A couple of other administrative options: configure menu, rounding list, encounter summary screen, and patient list. You have the ability to click directly on that title to configure it for yourself, or click on all users to configure those sections for all of your users. So here I have all of my usernames. I can turn on and off fields as needed. If I want to configure my own rounding list, I'm going to click on rounding list, and I have the option to select additional fields, remove fields, and move criteria up and down. So if you want your patient's first name to be the very first thing on your rounding list, simply use the arrows to the far right to move that name up or down as needed. Going back to the configuration list, three last options on this screen: configure charge report, change password, and configure favorites list. There are separate training videos for all three of these features on the training screen. So again, if you'd like to learn more about those features, search for those particular videos on the training screen. This was a quick run through of the configuration screen and all the features included on this screen.